The average manufacturer might use as many as 10 different applications to run their business. With each department using a different software solution, keeping everyone on the same page isn't easy, especially when everyone has their own version of important documents, and software integration can be a nightmare. It's expensive, time-consuming, and inefficient. With Odoo, all your needs are met out of the box. You have MRP, quality, maintenance, as well as PLM, inventory, procurement, and accounting, with easy communication across every department. Let's take a look at how you can plan your manufacturing using Odoo. The MRP allows you to plan manufacturing orders automatically using the master production schedule, minimum stock, or make-to-order rules. Once manufacturing orders are created, you can prioritize and schedule work orders by the Gantt chart and capacity adjustment report. The master production schedule automatically creates manufacturing orders based on demand forecast, stock on hand, and indirect demand. You can now prioritize manufacturing orders to schedule work for the upcoming week. You can review the automated schedule and adjust manually, if needed, here in the Gantt chart or in the calendar. You can even manage work center capacity in a single click. With scheduling complete, you are ready to start work. Workers use tablets on the shop floor to record production, check worksheets, track time, and more. All the information they need is just a tap away. This is what a worker sees on his tablet. The worker can review the current production worksheet and any important messages and begin working. Work is timed automatically, no stopwatch required. Odoo uses this measured time to schedule future orders accurately. If something goes wrong, like a broken tool or missing raw material, the worker can flag the order as blocked, then trigger a quality alert, maintenance request, or record scrap units as needed. When the job is finished, the worker can record production by scanning a barcode or with the press of a button. The quality team has set up a control point on this operation. The worker can record the result of the check, and if it fails, he can create an alert to document the issue for the quality team. The quality department can review quality alerts and track the status of investigations. Dynamic reporting features help spot trends and conduct root cause analyses. The Kanban view is great to keep the team organized and keep track of your investigations. The new alert about the failed quality check is here in the quality dashboard. As your investigation progresses, assign a root cause. For continuous improvement, you can set up preventative actions like quality control points, alerts for the manufacturing department, or engineering change orders. Because the problem is related to the manufacturing process, the engineering department can create an engineering change order to fix it. It's easy to create and manage engineering change orders. The system tracks different versions of bills of materials and routings. You can attach CAD files and other documents. And quickly review changes to the bill of materials. Make sure the ECO is approved by the relevant department at each stage of the implementation process. And communication is all in one place. It's easy to manage different versions of your BOM or routing with Odoo's powerful differentiate and merge features. When the engineering change order is deployed, you can check the first pieces produced with a quality control plan. Set up a new control point and the workers will receive instructions on their tablets. Odoo Manufacturing is fully integrated with maintenance and repairs, as well as inventory, purchase, and sales, keeping everyone in your supply chain on the same page. Using Odoo Maintenance, you can plan and track preventative and corrective maintenance on all your assets from a simple dashboard. From the Maintenance Kanban, you can quickly prioritize and schedule incoming maintenance requests. You can select a ticket, assign it to a technician, schedule it, and move it to the next stage. Then you can review the whole maintenance schedule on a calendar. and dynamic reporting helps you manage your maintenance team more efficiently. This same dynamic reporting functionality is available in every app in Odoo. Nearly any metric you could ask for can be sorted, grouped, filtered, and displayed in a histogram, chart, or pivot table to provide you with insights into your operations. You can quickly get a costing report on a manufacturing order. Time and material costs are used to automatically calculate the cost of an order. And total traceability is just a click away. If work stops for whatever reason, a worker can flag the work center as blocked. Odoo computes overall equipment efficiency automatically by tracking working time and blocked time. So you can view overall equipment efficiency reports on each work center. To find where you're losing the most time, with a robust set of features out of the box and a user-friendly interface, Odoo aims to cover every software need of your manufacturing organization. Discover how Toyota uses Odoo today at odoo.com.